Thank you guys. It still remain Ojammo. On this tutorial, there is something I want us to talk about is the air techniques. I want us to talk about we are talking about air techniques. For example, that thing they said, mi so la fa so mi fa re. There are things that you need to seize your breath and you say, you say, if you do not seize your breath, now I'm trying to breathe in and play another one. You see, I got it wrong. Me so me. You see, you you control it. Air control or you see, not I don't know how to explain this thing, but know it that there are sound you need to learn how to seize your breath. So that is it. That is all about air techniques. Thank you so much, and God bless you for subscribing on this channel. It still remains Ojammo. Peace out.